Hey, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd make Hasselback potatoes today. They're fairly simple, a little bit of prep, but still pretty easy. First thing, wash the potatoes. They're dirty, they grow on the ground, you know. Next, we're going to take a little bit of a slice out of the bottom, and then we're going to cut 1/8 inch or 2 to 3 millimeters for those of you metrically minded, just straight down. But we don't want to go all the way through, so, well, hence the spoons. Of course, the next step, let's get this on a sheet pan, a little itty bitty one. Notice I've got parchment paper there. You want to collect some of this fat. It'll, one, be easier to clean up, and, well, you'll see later on. We're going to use some of that fat again. So one thing you also notice, I tried to get the salt in between the slices. Be careful, don't force it, because we don't want to break the potato apart. The first step in cooking is going to be about 30 minutes. While we're doing that, let's slice up some herb butter. If you don't have herb butter, you can always just take some butter, melt it down with some garlic, some rosemary would be nice, or whatever herbs you've got. You can even throw chilies in there. Chilies would be nice. So, do you know how to make herb butter? Well, if not, stay tuned. That was a short I did about 6 months ago, 8 months ago. Actually, I think this is the same butter, but it's been in the freezer the whole time. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this butter and we're going to rub it and try to get it in between the slices. It's going to be a little difficult now, but every 15 minutes we're going to be doing this. And then that potato is going to soften up, and then we're going to be able to really get that butter in there. Good. Now, the other thing is that once you've got enough butter, you can probably see it collecting in the bottom of the pan there. You can switch over to a basting brush, such as, well, what I'm doing now. You're going to want to test this out. Take a nice little paring knife here and just check to see if the potato's cooked. Mine took about an hour and a half, but you know my old girl back there, she's on her last legs. So let's plate this up, garnish with a little bit more butter. Why not? I'm Chef Terry. These are my Hasselback potatoes. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share this video. You know, sharing is caring. Have a great week.